Welcome to the heart of local life in Visakhapatnam, India. This is not your ordinary grocery run. This is where color, choice, and culture come together. The local vegetable market buzzing with life from sunrise. Every morning, before the sun is fully up, farmers and sellers from nearby villages bring in the freshest produce straight from the soil to the streets. No plastic packaging, no cold storage, just pure freshness, tradition, and community. Look at the colors. A living painting of India. These vegetables are not just fruit. They are part of daily life, local economy, and these days, people don't just shop here. They meet, they talk, they laugh. It's a human connection that supermarkets often miss. This isn't just about buying veggies. It's a ritual, a rhythm of life that's been going on for generations. You can feel the energy, the sounds, the smells, the bargaining. It's raw and real. So next time you pick up your greens at a grocery store, remember, somewhere in India, a market like this is alive, feeding thousands and telling the story of a city's own, one tomato at a time. We capture the raw beauty, hidden gems, and vibrant life of India through breathtaking drone shots from peaceful villages to bustling market, ancient temples to modern wonders. Whether you are from the US, Europe, or anywhere around the world, get ready to see India like never before. Real, colorful, and full of stories.
కనబడలేదు